Top 8 accessories for organizing efficient storage. If you live in a tiny apartment, then you must be familiar with the situation when there are too many things and not enough closets for them. In this video, we'll talk about using modern gadgets to organize storage as efficiently as possible. Use these tips and interior ideas and you'll see your house completely transformed. You can purchase the furniture and accessories you need to make changes from the links below. Number 1. Hooked rails. Just a must-have for kitchen cabinets, such as ones for storing mugs. We tend to use only horizontal space of the shelf, just chaotically heaping cups, which makes it inconvenient to take them out and put them in place. Besides, it looks messy. The easiest way to put things to rights is to install special U-shaped rails with hooks on a shelf above. You can purchase such rails and other objects from the video by the links under the video. After installing the rails, just hang cups on the hooks and that's it. The shelf will look much neater and more decent. This option is suitable for open shelves as well, but be sure to choose uniform cups, or at least sort your mugs by material and color. For example, hang transparent glass cups on one rail and use the other for ceramic ones. Number 2. Tableware organizer. An indispensable thing for a small kitchen. Decide on narrow models with storage compartments located at an angle to the base. Such organizers are beneficial since they help to keep order. You just won't be able to bulk spoons and forks. And to make the maximum use of free space, put such an organizer in a drawer where you store such kitchenware as wire whisks or can openers. Number 3. Folding dishware dryer. A common dryer takes too much of the countertop next to the sink, and it doesn't look nice at all. Replace it with a folding model of steel tubes connected by plastic inserts. It is mounted right on the sink and saves a lot of space. You can use it to dry washed dishes as a stand for hot pots or a colander for vegetables, fruit and greenery. When out of use, you can simply roll the dryer up and put it away for storage. Number 4. Plastic folding laundry basket. This is the best option for a small apartment. When folded, a plastic basket with silicone inserts takes up a minimum of space. If you don't use it, you can fold it and store it under the sofa or in a cabinet under the sink. Besides, plastic baskets are more multifunctional than fabric ones, since you can put both dry laundry and washed wet clothes in them. And plastic is much easier to take care of. Number 5. Extendable rod. It's always difficult to store clothes in a small apartment. Surprisingly, you can use extendable rods to solve it. The ones that are usually used for bathroom curtains. You can install these rods in any free niche, in a back room, or make an improvised dressing room at the end wall if the room is narrow. You don't need any drilling and screws to install them. That is, the walls won't be spoiled. So, this option for organizing an additional or main storage place for clothes is suitable for a rented apartment as well. By the way, you can install the same rods in a cabinet under the sink. They are perfect for storing detergents in spray bottles. This construction looks nice, and what's more important, your bathroom will always be in order. Number 6. Hanging fridge baskets. If your fridge is small, you can solve the problem by installing net baskets on the shelves. You can use them to store packages of sauces, mayonnaise, containers with food, greenery or fruit. These baskets are multifunctional, since you can easily swap them. They are easy to take care of, and they also help to keep order in the fridge and efficiently use even such a limited space. Number 7. Door hooks. In a small apartment, even a door can become a storage space. The hooks installed on the door leaf are perfect for this. On them, you can hang clothes hangers or towels, or even that very folding laundry basket if it's a bathroom door. And a pair of hooks can safely hold the weight of an ironing board. They are almost invisible from the outside of the door. They don't interfere with opening it. You can install and remove them without any tools in a second. And they leave no marks on the door. If you live in a rented apartment and have a single wardrobe for all your belongings, but you really don't want to buy new furniture, then feel free to make use of this idea. Number 8. Velvet clothes hangers. It is the velvet hangers that have one feature. They are extremely thin. Such hangers take up almost half as much space in the wardrobe as common ones. That is, you can put almost twice as much clothes into the wardrobe. And they also have special rails to hang thin scarves, neck pieces or belts. Besides, you can use such hangers for knitwear. They leave no stretches on t-shirts and knitted sweaters. Plus, the velvet finishing has an anti-slip effect. Feel free to experiment. Invent your own solutions, and remember that the main thing about design is not to buy expensive decoration and furniture, but to use space in a convenient and practical way. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos with the ideas for interior and click the bell button to stay in touch. You will find the links to the furniture and accessories you liked below the video. Enjoy shopping and embrace the changes.